brand that cares about its consumers.
A brand that will not betray you.
A brand that connects people with their real self.
A brand that adds meaning to people's lives. Absolutely, yes. Yes!
Of course, yes.
Yes, true.
Of course. Absolutely, yes, please. That sounds interesting.
Yes, please. Yes.
Sure, why not?
Of course.
Remember, stay active online. Your audience and followers will be much more impressed if you are able to carry on a two-way conversation on social media. Engaging with reviews demonstrate to your clients that you are continually seeking to enhance your offerings and address any issue. Consumers adore brands who go out of their way to keep everyone updated about their new products. It's all about promoting high-quality content in real time these days. We have to keep it classy and not sassy. Handling negative feedback only should be done with extreme caution. Make sure not to fight fire with fire. Consumers like to feel they are being heard. Social media is the perfect venue to show them that you are listening to their feedback. It's just all about reminding your customers that there are human beings behind every account. Social media has changed the way that people think. Authenticity is a top attribute that people search for when putting their trust in various businesses. It is crucial to make sure that your brand is relatable to your target audience.